Right now with the crab bush. Was there something mad there right there, so? Big crab there right underneath the bush. Right there, so. Over there, no garden. You know how we just Yo, we there in some bush, in some part, in some place where I not even know where me there. I don't even know if I see myself because I have on a light for me. See that me lock it up. I don't even know where me there. But tonight it's all about crab bush. Big crab there right underneath the bush. Right there, so. Yeah. Oh, on Ghana, big hole back there. I'm mad sitting. When there? See me? Brawling. Oh shoot, him full of egg. Too much egg.
Yeah, no.
Alright, so you can go. Damn, me have egg. Alright, go on. Let me look at me see nothing else. Ah! Cheese and peas. Crab bush is not for the weak and it's not for the man when are brave. You have to be brave. Serious piece of journey this.
Step right.
Good one. Good catch.
Nice one, boy.
Beautiful. Very good catch. Beautiful one this. Wow. Now put him inside like this. I'll try one day we can go across so we go over there. By the looks of it, I'm going to another area where we can have a better chance because right now we need somewhere. So far, one catch we catch. I'm going to go search through, go across the pond there and catch them one the way in a tree. Let's go. Active. You have your hands on him? Mad. Get them clad. You have the hole right there back there so I block you with your hand so you can't go back down in the hole. Don't force him, make him bite you. Block the hole. Now we left him. Alright, sit there. Very well done.
More in a bag. Yeah.
Very well done.
Nice one.
What the turn around me say okay now? Woman? Yeah, wonderful. Am I one? No, I want the too small. I not talk too quick for call it. Come in now, you see that? I saw everything when it's a decomposed thing, boy. You know what I'm saying? Say. We're at a different location. We say have him?
Yeah, big one.
Big?
No, no, shake up the bush more there.
Mad. Jaja. Yo, no trying to make him get back in our neck hole in our way. Brilliant. Very good catch. Mad. Brilliant. Love that. Shoot.
Take your time. You don't want to make too much noise.
We don't want to do.
One to air office and one hit more. Take your time.
You can pull now, and in the right eye tree so we can't even tear it. Jeez, I'm freezing something like that. Pull this now back. Oh, mad. In wall?
No, I'm on because I don't know how you set in a hole. Yeah, in a hole.
Which side they go? So?
Yeah, so.
Wait, now let him go here. Hold it. Let me feel it first. Ah, got you. Ah. See, man, got him. Jesus, man. Crab bush. I'm mad sitting, man. Remember me tell you. Yo, bro. So you just bend down and wash your hand and got post crocodile tonight.
But I'm afraid of we. Yeah, go on the menu tonight.
You want to go on the menu? Aye. So right now, that's at the end of the crab hunt journey for tonight. As we hold up a mosquito. As we there with Claude, we're there with Raj, Yo Noel, crazy thing. In a Poland. Hold on. You see sickness? You catch him? You hold him?
Yeah.
You have him?
See that.
Get wet, not from my watch. Got you.
Another one in
hey, the one Rag's tough it up. Yeah.
Go in a box.
Look in our box there.
Watch
your man, man.
Look. We'll just start on now. Good amount that, bro.
Man. Yo. Crazy. What a night. I don't want to know what time. That me I tell you not to. Watch. Might as well go sleep. So we are going to a little party. See if we can. What do you say? Crab we can go for? Ready? You cook crab. Good.
Watch one there. There's one there for a hole, so one big one there. So.
When there?
You know,
Okay, that. We can go down there.
yeah, every day is supposed to have a road for it.
Oh, the backside. Then I want 3 weeks.
So try and push on and see if you feel it. Yeah, man, walk by at it.
Why? You're Superman. Thinking, will it? My woman, you know. I try and pop it off. Still can't see from washing. Now we have to put on the cloth. Watch your man then, man. After we do a crab bush. Watch your man.
I just a while ago.
PSI.
And them tiny one there, healthy.
No, we run so we go for a crab. I shall know we sleep and kill it.
Hey, man, they tired.
No, them man they tired. We ready to get right up the go one in that spot. You know well?
Walk by, me I go circle one in a little spot up. Them man I can go sleep. What you want, man? One for us.
2026, if you not live, remember me tell you say, something is wrong. Let me show you something. So this is my tent and this is where I'm going to set up to sleep tonight. Ask me which part me there. I have no freaking clue. But big up to all my Jamaica Walk By Massive for joining this video. See, as you can see, river. And we have all our little stuff them right. So right now, bag, clothes and a pillow, sponge for sleep on. Tent to go get set up right now. And you don't know, we have a little light set up over here. You know what I mean? Also, we have power bank. Yeah, more stuff. I'm there with the whole of the G them. I talk about Raj, Yo Noel, and we are talk about Claude. See them gonna make another trip up to the vehicle, which is about 2 miles up in the bush. So a mad thing, massive. Stay tuned, and then by the rest of the video, we show you we set up. And we are gonna tell you exactly what is going on when it comes on to this video and why we are here. But listen, at 2026 now, a time to live. You understand? So my room ready. But you know well, bombard, you know my sparring pay. Yeah. Yo, Noel.
I tell them, man, I can't believe, sir.
Can't even see him face. Kill it like. Yeah.
Can't believe, sir. Can't believe, sir, I come camping and leave my tent.
Bro, leaving tent after me leave my bag with the whole of my clothes them. I reach a film yard, a vent, I say, Judge, I know, now he left it tent. If Noel snore, or nothing, you know, God help you.
So like when you're showing people what real life is, you have to show them properly.
Bush settings, Jesus, cheap and clean. Bombard, underpants rock, river. I'm if you tell you, time now if you go bait. All who no bait from morning run go roller. Fresh, go roller, fresh, go roller, fresh. All who no bait from morning run go roller, fresh. Roller, fresh, go roller. Me say, evening come and you don't roller, fresh. Easy. Bathing time right about now. Remember me telling them, man, look good now, man. River settings. Cha. Just that man a beard sick. Cause someone feel live, brother. You don't know man pressure now. Well, baby down and thing out a river beard look good. So right now it's all about bedtime. See you in the morning.
The next day.
Oh yes, blessed day. Oh my word. This is how we do it on a riverside. A mad sitting man. Blessed good morning to all my Jamaica Walk By Massive. Great Claude. Blessed morning, my bro. What is that?
I'm a new friend.
Jaja God. Oh my word. Blessed morning, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Go see food.
Ready to see them?
Show you some piece and I see that. Say you oh my word. So this will be dinner. Massive, massive, massive crab. Wow, look at him. This is a male crab, as you can see because of this. But wow. So Claude, I go wash off them. Watch your finger, you know. So let's go take a morning swim. Oh bro J, blow white torpedo them that. Man. Gas up already?
Yes, a bird.
Mad, massive. Oh my word, let's do this.
Yeah, man, big up the sponsor them to where do them supply with them together.
Where do?
Yeah, man, where do?
Make sure you send them the video so they can see it.
Yeah, man.
Bro, you're going with scuba diving thing and rare. So this is Roger, don't know. Spearfishing God testing.
That's how quick can I reach you on this one.
Sure, let's do this. Wait, first, right or ground. And I got that in camera. Oh my word, massive. Let's see how this works. Crazy, right? Oh my word, how epic is that? Woo! So, Claude, I'm gonna learn to do this. Don't sit. Just lie down on the boat. Yeah! Let me see if I can. Alright.
No, but we're there, watch over your side here, bro. Yeah, push.
After that epic fail with that, I decided to say, yo, I'm gonna stick to this. This is so nice. I can use up enough energy when you use that, no?
Yeah.
You don't know why.
Yeah, check it
Yes, so, let me show you something where enough people know about countryman them. Look at this. The water is so cold that we have our own fridge right here. Yeah man, look, I swear. I'm mad shit now. Get them cool in the water. How mad is this? Them can't go away. And we have cool water for the whole day. Mad. Alright, breakfast now. So, we actually start setting up the fire already, but we just need some more firewood to mud it up the right way. Brother, right so everything possible. Light, off grid at the river, I tell you. So, see fire. Yeah. Yeah man, so make sure you go for some more wood you can use. Yeah, I go for them, I go for. Yeah, crazy. I go beard the crab them now. I'm real clean and pretty car. Me love to beard the crab them. So we have a few claws with the papa from the cat. They go and swim in the water. And yeah, one the cotton board. Alright, so let's go for that. I'll get the crab them ready. This? Yeah. So. You want me to do the honors and bathe them and clean them up? And say, I will just use the water. Oh yeah. Oh, you say I show me a different style?
Yeah, I show you a different style. I'm going to roast. I also going to roast some of them for your taste. You say you never tried it before, yeah?
No, I never eat roast crab.
Alright, so we're going to make walk by try some roast crab today. I'm going to boil the crab without the back. We'll clean it up, wrap it in a tube. And we'll see everything will go nice. So watch what we're going to oh boy, get to from yesterday. Claw alone we get it. Monster this boy.
Monster, watch it. Compare the Anna Raj and it's big.
Watch it. This lucky.
Cheese and peas.
Yo. Nice,
massive.
Alright, so clean up them bad boy. So we take out that bad boy. Oh, get them clean up. So yeah, massive, see? As you can see, we have some of them in the freezer right there. So I'm going to chill. They're boy them will escape. Oh, yeah, don't know. Food I go start out and thing. I'm not sitting man, ready. So we just get rid of the crab back and thing, you know what I mean? You know, but I show how we shoot off the crab back, you know, now somebody go, oh, it's so graphic and thing and very. And our food, you see me? Ah! See that? Yeah, man, you see I hold all this so now, I take up all the little gravy pan and bite this up.
Beer meat and substance. Go check out the roast crab. I never watch a roast claw. Never do that one. So I'm willing to try. Create it and let's put the claw on the fire to roast. If you ever try that, you let me know. You can probably comment from now or it tastes. So by the time I tell you now how me find it tastes, then we see what go on. But yeah, back to the crab cleaning up. The pressure when holding with. Let's go. So unfortunately, the claw we did a roast a while ago. Me never get none because me did over this I did with some other little thing and the crab done and now the claw done and disappear.
Disappear.
So because of that way up, I put on back 2 or 3 more pieces of crab on the fire. I'm telling you, one of the maddest things. So I just wait on that now for done roast. I'm going to show you what it tastes like. I'm going to show you what it tastes like and I can't make no taste what it tastes like. So I'm going to show you what it tastes like based on my reaction. Hey, me not about to try that then. Me use the stick so we could turn them. Yo, with that blow, whoa.
I threw the fire did start blaze up, man. That burn up, you know. That have to come out.
No, this have to come off. This are done.
Man, that's for the meat. Man, that's for the good meat.
Me yay, boy, me yay.
Move it.
So that one there now, that one that's supposed to ready. So have a look at cheese and peas. So far, the taste a look of crumbs and taste better than when you dust. So what it? Claw? This part is mine. You can take all of them part then now. Me no be on a wicked. I say this is super hot. Woo. Yeah, I can crack it down. Mighty! Yo,
That's too hot, man. They say sweeter than regular crab.
Definitely sweeter than regular crab. No, me I go do regular. And then you didn't have to put no salt, no seasoning, no nothing. It's kind of sweet, savory and thing. So roast crab, no salt, no seasoning, no nothing, and it tastes better than actual boiling crab that we used to.
No, you don't want to put potato on. Yeah, right there.
Definitely. Wow. Let me see if I can peel out me. Yeah. Funny. So crab them up on the fire and corn them a boil and thing. That's what I go on. That not ready, you know. They said that ready. Take off one limb off and chew back the rest. See? From that the pop off, you know, that not ready, you know.
Like hot.
How is it? Bossy.
What?
Good. Massive we get it on. Some roast plantain, roast potato on the side. That's the same way. Right on the river. Mad thing, man. Crazy, man. Trouble there. Oh, we say bomba now, you hear that?
Yeah.
Where's the Chinese dish?
So
the food is ready.
Chop up right here.
Look what on, man. Cheese and peas. Oh,
you know, grab your plate.
Yeah, I trust on you, you know. So, see my plate here. This is my plate. This. So we have boxes some over here. So. So need
This I eat that?
Me that.
The backside is.
I made that. You must can hold it now, man. I'm going to take out the crab them first.
Oh, alright, take out the crab.
Take out the crab them first. We shear up the crab them. Yeah. So, this is how we do it. See what I go on? See what I go on? Yeah, man, I made this man in a bowl and things. So, Bushman style. Everybody look good. You know what I mean? Me now just going to find a nice little spot right so beat my food. You see me I say? Let me see if I can find a nice little set up. I want to have my foot in the water, you see me? Yeah. Feel like I made this. Wow! hard. No wonder you have to go hide somewhere. Yo, taste the juice. Taste the soup. Whole heap of pepper. Everybody have to go.
Sweet potato curry up in the juice.
I said, you put pepper in there and then can't put more pepper in there. So come on. I'm telling you. Pepper mad.
Yo, here we do. No, try to take a bite of this and drink some ice. What is that? Yo, I want to make them corner.
Wee. So we made it like a soup. But Raj made it like a soup.
You don't know good Maggi season up and them thing that will be the crab them kind of like a...
Boy, this a real big. One Noel.
Yeah man, 1 clock, 1 Noel.
Eat
Yo,
and drink
Noel.
like a drinks. Soup.
Only good vibes, only. Nothing else.
That is it. So, see there?
Last piece of crab.
Last piece of crab. See?
Yeah. Delicious. Man yourself with the ball.
Very, very good there.
I'm lost for words. Now, well, where's that? Man, watch Raj. Knock out over there, so watch him. No, who are going with the champ today? Huh? Massive. Right on the riverside. Great start off to the first day. I tell us, a mad thing. And we probably just gonna take 2 more. Swim off. I think I might do a river walk. I think go up the stream and explore the whole river. And think, but so far, great. Yeah, massive. So it's all about crayfish night. And as you can see, Raj them and Noel in a distance over there. So and now swim go to them in the night. Big pool of water. We are trying to get breakfast from early. So yeah, let's go. What's the one now? If the crayfish have egg, we not trouble them. We leave the crayfish them with the egg so they can reproduce, you know? That's the motto for tonight. For breakfast. Yeah, we don't trouble one them with the egg. So night right and I'm struggling. You look bigger than there. Yeah, look bigger than there. And then look like a monster. So put that up in here. So slidey. So we gotta go upstream. Yo, I'm gonna put them beat out. Oh, sorry, bro. Oh, you have one there? Oh, that me I say, you know. So far, see where I go. I'm not going too bad. I bring it up on the journey. Body. Yeah. Good size, this man.
Ah, look bigger than water, you know?
They look bigger in there. Yeah. Nice size, though.
So can you even forget the gloves?
Eh?
So I forget the gloves there.
Oh, yeah. Say, oh, you know it. What up? Hey!
No, he's
hey.
Ah, you take you,
Hold it, yeah. Let's not bite like a hey. Not going too bad at all. It's about what time now? About 11 o'clock? Yeah. Probably about 11 o'clock in the night. So it's about 11 o'clock and we make the best of it. Bringing up on the experience. Crazy. It's cold. Like very cold, but we are doing best. We're out off grid right now, so we have to catch your own food to eat. So we are trying to get some breakfast, probably some dinner for tomorrow. You know? So it's crazy. This one? When they dip? Yeah.
They want in another class.
And them are good size, cause them are one of me really used to, you know. I want one of them there, crayfish to them. I want to get that by a Amazon. More while I see crayfish them flick out, you know, now. But I can't take no more swimming. Can't take no more swimming. Can't take no more swimming, dog. Oh, that's just there. Well, you know, some bad thing will walk way more than this. You just smash up the one them downstream. Nah, see, big one them. What you say now, eh? You're not cool, lad. That message, you're not cool. Alright, man, see if we can go downstream. Yeah, man, can go on. Just can't bother if you no more swimming. Oh, I check over here, sir.
Oh, look at Rodriguez already. Yeah, man, let's catch them. Like a shrimp.
Yeah, they're full of egg.
Egg? Oh,
yeah.
shoot. What do? Oh, you know, see?
No, but they want to say egg. Whatever the egg you put out of the fish.
And I mean, well, at least I may have the food bag. Need a break. We can't give up. Yo, no boy thing this show. You say someone here? Our big heel. Can't take a high voltage lick. This is the dog tower. Catch him?
I'll go out to Lagos and move.
Yes, sir.
And I eat them fish like
Where did you catch him? No, is there no shock?
no, we don't have more in Jamaica.
Eh?
We don't have more in Jamaica.
Catch him? You got him?
Yeah.
Man.
First time Claret broke off.
Yeah, that's a good catch.
Yeah? Big like lobster. Them this is 5 things. I say man.
Man. Woo. So yeah, man, it's crazy. We're going to count the catcher now. So cool, very tired, and yeah, no, that's it.
Yo, nice catching, fun. The fun that last too long. After a while, everybody starts
But my body done. Make you see. You want to catch it? See. Oh much. Oh my God, I'm so tired, bro. You can see what? Oh, we did. Come on. Sit there. Something in my bag. Hold on. Oh, I'm sorry. Not so bad. But it's alright. Take up that big one then.
Alright, so this is the catch. As Fabian said, not so bad, but you know, it's a good. This is good enough amount of meat for tomorrow.
Man, this is big.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, good amount of meat. Some of them pretty boss.
Yeah, nice.
Good. Yeah, massive. That's it for tonight. Blessed love, thank you for watching. Just wake up and take a nice early morning swim, and getting ready for breakfast.
Pretty. Then I wait them.
Gonna try to get some breakfast. Just got some much in my while ago. And breakfast time. So right, go on. Wait till you could have do way better than that last night, eh?
Yeah, from the hurricane, come like river, wash out brother. Nah, see big one then. And the second time I come and I feel the thing, so I feel like I feel the hurricane.
No wonder when time you talk, I tell you about some crayfish you know.
Bro, the one
when
you
you say
normally
big,
catch my you, this one nothing, normally I open up. The tail all the time yesterday and then the class come all the way
yeah,
up.
yeah.
Yeah, brother,
So, me did I get it all wrong. One time me have to sound like a windy one, let me see.
man, I call me and say, yo, that one a big.
Big.
I say, yo.
Senior, that one a big. And them I say, where him there? And I say, senior. And them I say, no man. So, we got it all wrong. So now we're kind of losing Joe, I'm kind of broke my vibe, but I don't know. Would have been like breakfast already.
Can't do that, Brad.
Yeah?
Can't do that.
Anything you want to do, bro?
I'm going to say, because that's your thing, and I'm going to cook on
Big chef.
Yeah.
But living off grid is definitely a vibe. I'm not going to tell you no lie. Once you can do stuff like this and just live, you'll go alright. You can make it on your hand, make fashion. This will be a mad thing. I'm telling you. Breakfast is ready. So we have in us now crayfish, and we have spice bun, and we have some plantain chips in there, and then everything that mixed up in the bowl. Good.